Welcome everybody to the Veterans Day bike ride. I want to thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for coming out this morning, taking part in this beautiful scenic ride, but more importantly, for giving what you have either in uniform or out of uniform.
We're having a great time. It's not only a bike event, it's where we can get together and share a meal and share what we have in common, not look at what our differences are. We all want the same thing. We all want peace, we all want to have a job, we all want our family to be safe and healthy and happy. That's what we all want.